Good morning, students. We will continue remaining problems of this definite integrals and area chapter. Yesterday completed 5 problems. Next, sixth question. The value of 0 to pi sin cube theta, modulus of sin cube theta d theta. So 0 to pi given theta 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi. Clear? In this quadrant, sine value is the first, that implies 0 to pi sine cube modulus of sine cube theta d theta. This is equal to 0 to pi sine cube theta d. Okay, this can be written as 0 to pi sin theta sin square theta d theta, sin theta sin square theta. Okay, 0 to pi sin theta, sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta d theta, cos square theta d theta. Let cos theta is equal to t, differentiate, minus sin theta d theta is equal to dt. Sin theta d theta is equal to what? Minus dt. Minus dt. This is equal to minus of, okay, what is upper limit and lower limit? So lower limit, if theta is equal to 0, that implies t value. What is t value? Cos 0 value 1. Upper limit, theta is equal to pi, that implies theta is equal to cos pi. Cos pi value minus 1. So therefore lower limit 1, upper limit minus 1. Right. Sin theta d theta value dt. Next 1 minus t square dt. By the property, in limits interchange, then sign will change. So minus. So minus into minus plus. Clear? That implies 1 minus t square dt. This is equal to minus 1 to dt minus minus 1 to 1 t square dt. Therefore, this value t minus 1 to 1 minus t cube by 3 minus 1 to 1. Alright, substitute 1 minus of minus plus 1 minus 1 by 3. This value also minus of minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Therefore, this value 2 minus 2 by 3. 6 minus 2, 4 by 3 is the answer. So third option is the correct answer. Next, the value of 7 1, 0 to 3 2, 3 to 4, 4 minus x, 3 to 4, 4 minus x, and x minus 3 square root of dx. 3 to 4, 4 minus x minus 3, this one. Oh, we know actually this is expand this value means we get some x square minus a square or a square minus x square, something will happen. That's why. Otherwise, one shortcut is the direct formula a to b x minus a b minus x is equal to pi by 8 b minus a whole square. So that is direct formula. So that implies pi by 8. What is b here? 4 minus 3 whole square. Answer is 5 by 8. Okay. So chapter second half is the shortcut. This is. So these formulas are there in our material. Once you revise that material, or else how can you do this one? Means 4x minus 12 minus x square plus 3. Therefore, minus x square plus 4x minus 9 under square root. Under square root. Minus common x square minus 4x plus 9 under square root. This is x square minus 2ab. So without changing this function, you can write this 4 can be written as 2ab. So this value is equal to ab. Then this value is equal to 2 square means 4. Already 9 is there. Plus 4 plus 5. Okay, clear? So like this, this can be written as a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. This is a minus b whole square, and afterwards use the form. That is one process. Remember this one. This is the short. Next, 8th question. Which of the following is true? Which of the following is true? 0 to 1 e power x d. First option. 0 to 1 e power x dx. This value is equal to, okay, this problem is right. Now what is this one? E power x integration e power x between 0 to 1 e power 1 minus e power 0 e minus 1. Okay, given the answer is B, so first option wrong. Second option 2 power x. Second option, what is second option? 0 to 1 2 power x dx. Okay, a power x integration a power x by log 2 0 to 1. So 1 by log 2 right outside. 2 power 1 2 minus 2 power 0 1 1 by log 2. So but given is log 2, that also wrong. Okay. Next third option. What is third option? Root x. 0 to root x means x to the power of 1 by 2 dx. X to the power of 1 by 2 integration is x to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Plus it reciprocal 2 by 3. X to the power of 3 by 2 1 0 1 minus 0 1. So that implies this value is equal to 2 by 3. So this is the correct answer. So once you check fourth option also, x derivative. Next, sin 2t, sin power 4t plus cos power 4t. Same problem we did in this indefinite integration. 42nd problem. Once you look that problem 42nd, same model. So here is limits are there. There not no limits. So same model. Try that problem. Okay. This value. Pi cos of pi log x by x. Let it be here. We will take here pi log x is equal to something, and what is its differentiation? Pi into 1 by x. Pi into 1 by x. So pi into 1 by x is equal to dt. Then you will find that value also. Right. Next, 11th question. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 mod sines. Right. Minus pi by 2 to minus. So that is property number 7. Use property number 7. So this is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 dx. In our property minus a to a f of x is equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x, and f is even. F is even 0, that implies f is odd. What is the even function or odd function? F of minus x is equal to f of x, that is even function. F of minus x is equal to minus f of x, that is odd function. So substitute in this one, oddness is there. So therefore we will get answer positive value. Therefore that is the even function. So even function means this is equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx. What is sin x integration? Minus cos x 0 to pi by 2 of minus right outside cos pi by 2 0 minus cos 0 value 1. So minus 2 minus plus 2. So then first option is the correct answer. Right. This problem also, the value of upper limit minus 1 to, you can interchange means split the function minus 1 to 0, 0 to 1. Okay, minus 1 to 0, 0 below modulus value is negative, and above 0 that value is equal to positive. So we do that method, you can apply the problem. Next, 13. The value of sin square x minus pi to pi. So here also either upper limit and this is f is even and f is odd concept you can apply. Y means minus pi to pi minus a to a, that form concept. However, in this case, suppose minus x substitute, sin square is no problem. Sin square x positive answer. A power minus x, that is LCM. Like this, minus pi to pi sin square x divided by 1 plus a power x. Suppose you substitute f of minus x. So this value no problem, sin square x, f of minus x. This value is equal to 1 plus a power minus x. Okay, right denominator like reciprocal, sin square x by 1 plus 1 by a power x. So after taking the LCM, sin square x, a power x by 1 plus a power x. So this is the problem. Clear? So do like that one. So sin square x 1 plus a power x. So this value you get. What is this answer? No change. There is any change? Sin square x into minus pi to pi. Sin square x is a greater than 0. Okay. Do one thing. This is I, let it be. Okay, this also I. Y means not decide it is even function or not, or function. So then I plus I add this one, 2i. Then you get minus pi to pi sin square x 1 plus a power x plus minus pi to pi sin square x a power x 1 plus a power x. So for this LCM say sin square x take common, then we get minus pi to pi sin square x 1 plus a power x divided by 1 plus a power x. So this value cancels. Sin square x integration, there is no integration sin square x. So it will be convert, how can we convert that one? Sin square x. Caustic formula is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. So sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So use that one. 1 minus cos 2x by 2 minus pi to pi dx. Right? So I is equal to 1 by 4. 1 integration x minus pi to pi. Okay? Minus cos 2x integration sin 2x by 2 minus pi to pi. Therefore 1 by 4 pi minus into minus plus pi is equal to sin pi value 0. Sin of minus pi that also 0. Therefore this value is equal to 2 pi by 4. Answer is pi by 2. Answer is pi by 2. So second half is the correct answer. Next problem, x cube plus mod x plus 1. Okay. 14 minus 1 to 1 x cube plus mod x plus 1 divided by x cube 2 of mod x plus 1. Okay, this is one. This problem can split like this one. Minus 1 to 1 x cube by x cube plus 2 times of mod x plus 1. This is equal to minus 1 to 1 mod x plus 1 by x cube plus 2 times of mod x plus 1. Clear? This is x cube, this is square. Okay, this is x square. X square. So now, by some property, minus a to a means substitute f is first to decide f is even odd. So clearly, this is odd function. Odd function means this value is equal to 0. Odd function. This is even. Why we substitute minus x value does not change this function. Same function we get. This is even function. Even function means 2 times of 0 to minus 1 to 1. So 0 to 1 mod x plus 1 y x square 2 times mod x plus 1. So this value is equal to, let it be I is equal to 0 to 1 x square plus 2x plus 1, that is a plus b whole square. So that implies mod x plus 1 by this value mod x plus 1 whole square. This is equal to 2 times of 0 to 1 by mod x plus 1. Clear? Okay. What is this value? This value is equal to 2 times of logarithm of x plus 1. Okay, what is the upper limit? 0 to 1. Upper limit substitute, the value is equal to 1 plus 1 log 2. So this value is equal to log 2 minus 0 substitute log 1. Log 1 means 0. So 2 log. 2 log is the answer. Second log is the correct answer. Clear? Yes. Next one. $15. So or else after between 0 and above, so this will remove no problem. X plus 1. Right? X plus 1. So I mean between 0 to 1, the mod function is a positive value. So that implies mod x as x plus 1. So directly take mod x to log of x plus 1. So that is 2 log. So next 15th problem. Step x. Step x denotes the greatest integer function. Then, okay, greatest integer function. Right here. What is greatest integer function? Suppose this value is equal to 0 less than or equal to x less than 1. Suppose between 0 to 1, take any value, that value is equal to 0. If suppose between -1 and 0, that value is equal to always -1. Like that. 1 less than or equal to x less than 2. Between 1 and 2, substitute in this step x, that resultant answer is equal to 1. Integers, no problem. Integers, as is, that value resultant answer is atomic. That's why x less than or equal to that value. Okay, clear? Right. Here in this problem, 1 to 4. 1 to 4. So, 1 to 4. Step of mod x plus step x minus 1, step x minus 2, step x minus 1. Step x minus 1. Step x minus 2 means the greatest integer function. Greatest integer function dx. Clear? Right. This value split 1 to 2, 2 to 3 plus or else 1 to 2 plus 2 to 3 plus 3 to 4. Actually splitting x. Okay. 1 to 2, 2 to 1 means step x value equal to, that's value is equal to 1. Greatest integer function lies between the rate is equal to, the value is equal to 1. So therefore, between the limits, split the limits 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. How means so that step x value equal to 1. Suppose here x square is there means inside. So and that value is equal to under square root 1. So limits like that root of, or else step x is equal to, how to split the limits means equal to 1, that implies x is equal to 1. For modulus function equal to 0. Suppose x minus 1 mod equal to, what is the limit splitting is equal to 0, the value is equal to x is equal to 1. So I means the modulus graph like this one. When it is possible 0 means that for 1 value is equal to 0. So like this splitting, one modulus function is splitting the limits equal to 0 and step x function is equal to 1, then we get the split. Okay, now between 1 and 2. So what is between 1 and 2 step x value? 1 answer. Between 2 and 3, what is the value? 2. Between 3 and 4, what is the step x value? Is equal to 3. Right. Here, this is multiple of this into this into this into this. Suppose 1 to 2. This is total multiple. This value how much? 1. This bracket value, this value 1. 1 minus 1? 0. Okay, right? 0 into some all values 0. In between, this value is equal to 0. 0 into all values is equal to 0. 3 to 4, this value is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. So totally that value is equal to 0. Clear? So which option is correct answer? First option is the correct answer. Next, minimum of x square plus 1, x plus 1. So given function 16th problem, minimum of x square plus 1, x plus 1. So this type of problems, point of intersection of these two curves, in that intersection, what is that minimum value? X plus 1. So draw -1, -2. For 1 this graph, for 0, 1. For -1, 0. For 1, 2. So like this graph is. And for x square plus 1, x square plus 1 is equal to 0, 1. So for 1, 2. Okay. For -1, 2. So graph like this. So minimum of this function. So that implies -1 to 0, 0 to, or -1 to 0, this value is equal to x plus 1. This value graph is equal to x square plus 1. Splitting like that. F of x is equal to, here what is minimum of x square plus 1, where the function f of x is equal to x plus 1. When you take x less than 0, x square plus 1 means more than that 0. This is equal to x square plus 1, x greater than 0. So -1 to 0 this function, 0 to 1, x square plus 1. Right. So that implies -1 to 0, x plus 1 dx plus 0 to 1, x square plus 1. What is this integration? X square by 2 plus x -1 to this one 0, x cube by 3 plus x 0 to 1. So 0 value substitute upper limit, for upper limit this total value 0, for lower limit minus of 1 by 2 minus 1 plus, for upper limit 1 by 3 plus 1, for lower limit total value 0, minus 1 by 2, minus into minus plus 1 by 2, this value is equal to 4 by 3. So is equal to 6, 2 3s, 3 2s, 8, 11 by 6 is the answer. First option is the correct answer. Right. Next, 70. Let f maps R to R be differentiable functions such that f of 1 is equal to 4 and f dash 1 is equal to 2. Then the value of limit extends to 1, 17. Then the value of limit extends to 1, 0 to f of x, 0 to f of x, 2t, 2t by x minus 1. So this can be written as limit extends to 1, dt, this value is equal to, yes, this is dt. Dt means t function inside the integration. So this is this can be written as 2 by x minus 1. Here is a constant. Then you write like this one, 0 to f of x, t dt. T dt. Here, suppose x tends to 1 substitute, what happens? 1 minus 1. This is not defined. This not defined. So that's why apply L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule means f dash x by g dash x. This function is f of x by g of x. Upper limit means upper function is numerator function derivative divided by denominator function derivative. So that implies limit extends to 1, 2 divided by this value is equal to 1 minus 0. So this is also like numerator function. Apply Leibniz rule for this for integration 0 to f of x means f of x to g of x. Problems by Leibniz rule. How can you derivative means this value is equal to f of x upper limit substitute where the function into the derivative minus 0 in place of that value, variable value 0 into 0 derivative 0, constant derivative 0. So that is the by Leibniz rule you can apply. Now limit extends to 1 you substitute 2 f of 1 f dash 1 is equal to f of 1 value given, f of 1 value and f dash 1 value given. How much? F of 1 value 4, f dash 1 value 2. So 2 4s, 8 8 2s, 16 16 is the answer. First option is the correct answer. 18. 0 to 25. 0 to 25 e power x minus step x value dx is equal to k of e minus 1, then the value of k, right? So this is what is this meaning? X minus step x value is equal to fraction part of x. This period is equal to 1. This period is equal to 1, right? So period is equal to 1 means 0 to 25 can be done, means 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, like that until 25. By the time period definition, that is equal to 25 to 0 to 1. This can be x. But the formula is there, 0 to n into t. So n into, that's 10. 25 to 0 to 1 e power x minus step x, this is dx, is equal to k of e minus 1. Okay, here step x is there. Step x under the limits between 0 to 1. 0 to 1, what is the step x value? Is equal to 0. So that is equal to 25 e power x minus 0 dx. This is equal to e minus 1. So this is e power x. E power x integration is e power x 25 e power x. Okay. What are the limits? 0 to 1. Under the limits, upper limit 1 and the lower limit is equal to 0. This is equal to k of e minus 1. 25 e power 1 minus e power 0 1 is equal to k of e minus 1. Comparing on both sides, k value is equal to 25. K value how much? Is equal to 25. Second option is the correct answer. Next up, 19, the value of under square root ln2 means log 2 under square root log 3 x sin x square x sin x square divided by sin x square plus sin ln means log 6 minus x square dx. That is the okay. Right. So this is in the model a to b f of x. A to b f of x. Now the property is there. What is a to b? This is I. A plus b. Before that, here x square is there. Let x square is equal, let it be t. 2x dx is equal to dt. X dx is equal to 1 by 2 dt. And what is lower limit? Put x is equal to log 2. So means root log 2. What is t value? That implies t is equal to square and root cancel. The value is equal to log upper limit. T is equal to. Suppose you substitute the root log 3 in this x square. What is the answer? X square. Then t is equal to log 2. T is equal to log 2. That is e is equal to log 2 log 3 x dx. X dx value dt sin t. This is equal to 1 by 2 divided by sin t sin square. Okay, sin t sin ln log means ln 6 minus t. So this is that. Clear? Right. Now we know property a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Use this property. So that implies one more time. This is equation number 1. So I is equal to okay 1 by 2 log 2 ln 2 ln 3 sin. See, a plus b minus x. A plus b means this value else okay a plus b minus x a plus b minus x. A plus b minus x value how much is ln 2 plus ln 3 minus x. That implies log a plus log b is equal to, or else we want to substitute I is equal to ln 2 ln 3 sin ln 2 plus means log 3 minus x divided by sin t. Same minus x plus. So what is this value? This value is called log a plus log b. Log a means log 6 minus 6x. So this is t. Okay, take t. Sin ln 6 minus t plus ln 6 total ln 6 however that means ln 3 plus ln 2 plus ln 3 minus t dt. So like this. So what is this value? Log 6 minus 6. This is equal to I log 2 log 3 sin log 6 minus t. Log 6 minus t. This value is sin log 6 minus t. This value log, this is 6. This value should cancel. Minus it minus plus, therefore sin t dt. This is equation number 2. Add 1 plus 2. Add 1 plus 2. I plus I. This value is equal to 1. That value is equal to I plus I. 2i. 2i is equal to 1 by 2 is common and log 2 log 3 for this LCM. This LCM same. So that implies sin log 6 minus t plus sin t. This numerator same. LCM same. So sin t plus sin log 6 minus t. So finally, the numerator and denominator value cancel. See, this is equal to 2i of times of dt log 2 to log 3 t not just dt 1 that is. So what is constant integration? T log 2. This is log 3 to I is equal to 1 by 4. So that implies log 3 minus log 2. Therefore 1 by 4 log 3 minus log 2 log 3 by 2. 1 by 4 log 3 by 2. So the option, which option is the correct answer? 1 by 4 log. First option is the correct answer. 1 by 4 3 by 2. 19 first half is the correct answer. 20 also apply same process, same method. A to B, that form apply. A to B, f of x, denominator numerator cancel. Yes. So 21 also same, 22 same, 23 same. So do these problems like this. Apply this formula. A to B, f of a plus b minus x. Here 21, nth root of secant x. What can I do means this problem is this type of problems in our theory also last exercise 7.11 this properties of the problems are there. Once you look at that one 21 just I is equal to this value is equal to 0 to pi by 2 0 to pi by 2 first is I okay nth root secant x nth root means 1 by 2 clear or else I will take no problem nth root divided by secant x whole power 1 by n cosecant x whole power 1 by n. So this value this is 0 to pi by 2 means 0 to a f of x that function also. This is one property. A to b f of a plus b minus x that is one property and this is 0 to a f of x is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x property. Clear? And this problem also 22 also this is 0 to 2a this also 2a consider as a apply same formula same property and 23 4 to 7 means a plus b means 4 plus 7 11 minus x so denominator and numerator will cancel. So this one okay apply for this one this is one first equation and 0 to f of a minus x apply 0 to pi by 2 secant 90 minus secant pi by 2 minus x whole to the power of 1 by 8 divided by secant pi by 2 minus x whole power 1 by 8 cosecant pi by 2 minus x whole power 1 by 9. This value is equal to secant 90 minus x is cosecant x 0 to pi by 2 cosecant x whole power 1 by n. This one secant x whole power 1 by n plus cosecant x whole power 1 by n. This is the second equation. Add 1 plus 2. The left side is equal to 2 pi and the right side will cancel numerator and denominator. Answer will get one same process. Okay. Until 23 do yours. Over 24. So properties are very important. Using properties easy to calculate this definite integration. Okay. Next 24. Step x denotes greatest integer function 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x d of x minus step x d of x minus step x. Okay. 24 this is 24 0 to pi by 6 1 minus cos 2x divided by 1 plus cos 2x d of x minus derivative of x minus step x. Clear? Right. 0 to pi by 2 6 for this one this value the value is equal to 0. So this can be written as 0 to pi by 6 1 minus cos 2x divided by 1 plus cos 2x just that is dx. Right. Now 1 minus cos 2x cos 2x formula that is this is equal to 0 to pi by 6 2 sin square x 2 sin square x 1 plus cos 2x 2 cos square x 2 to dx, this value is equal to tan square x. Tan square x dx. Tan square x integration not there. 0 to pi. This can be written as secant square x minus 1. Secant square x minus 1. Secant square x minus 1 dx. What is secant square x integration is tan x. 1 integration is x. That is equal to I is equal to tan x for this 0 to pi by 6 minus 1 integration x of 0 to pi by 6. That implies tan pi by 6 minus 0, tan 0 0 minus of pi by 6 minus 0. So what is tan pi by 6? Tan pi by 6 is tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 minus pi by 6 is the answer. Second option is the correct answer. Okay. Right. 25. Like isolate by parts. What is first function? First function is x. Second function is secant square x. Use the formula. Use that formula. So 26 also like this kind of concept between pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, and that pi by 3 pi by 2 means that value is equal to 270. And the limit at what value? Step x value always equal to 1. So sin s at what value is equal to 1? Pi by 2. Next value is equal to like that. Split that. Next 0 to 3 step x is also same. So split like this one 27. 0 to 3 step x dx. This value is equal to 1. That implies 0 to 1, 1 to 3. Sorry, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. So between 0 to 1, what is step x value? 0. Between 1 to 2, step x value is equal to 1. Dx plus between 2 to 3, step x value is equal to 2 into dx. So like this. So x tan inverse. This also by parts. 28 makes first function x into tan inverse x dx 0 to 1. Okay, which is first function? Highlight. Inverse. This is first. This is second. Inverse function. Okay. First function. What is the formula? Already explained. F of x integration. Second function. So first is this is equal to I directly tan inverse x integration. First function integration, second function minus integration of first function derivative